Okay. All right. Whew. 4 years, video game publishers have asked the question, can I sell the same game again, but slightly different, and have people still buy it? The answer is obvious. Yes. I don't know if this is in frame. This is Persona 5, a game I have already played on my PlayStation 3 back in 2018. The difference this time is that it's in a bigger box and it has a big R next to it, and they also changed some of the portraits for the characters, I think. Some other stuff, who knows. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of this box. It's gonna get unboxed. This was a I think a Christmas present, yeah, for my parents. Thank you, my parents, for spending your money on this. Yeah, I'm gonna. Ooh, okay. Remember when unboxing videos were like the cancer of YouTube? Remember when like every channel just like raged about unboxing videos being stupid? That was before reaction videos, I think. We had the unboxing videos that everyone was making fun of. But now, reaction videos are A-okay as long as you have the Twitch chat next to it, so I'm gonna do a unboxing video that, oh, that's pretty nice, look at that. So this is like the annoying thing they put on Blu-ray disc that always slides off and gets off center. This is their version of that. They had to do that as well. Now apparently the way this box opens is up. I'm gonna do the Linus Tech Tips thing and have it like fall out of the box. No. Okay, let's open this thing up and not have it spill everywhere. I'm really worried that this recording is just gonna be a dud, and I'm just gonna have to rebox this thing or something. So this is the metal case that comes with this thing. I probably should have read what comes with. It'll be a surprise. It'll be a surprise. This is the metal game case, which also you'll notice has this annoying cover over it, but I don't think it's required. Yeah, okay, look at this. There's a bit of like a scuff on it. I don't know if you can see that. But it did come all the way over from like Japan or something, right? Even though it's English. This looks cool. I like this. This is nice. There's something like rattling. Did the disc fall out? No. What was rattling around inside of it is this card thing. What is this? Does anyone know what this is? I'm gonna put it back in its sleeve because I don't trust it. Yeah, so that's that thing. Collector's item. Collectors. I'm a game collector. I spend money on stupid stuff. This is the game. It's rated M for mature people that play dumb weeaboo games. Don't let your kids play this one, even though it's for kids. I mean, this story. They say the F word. That makes it rated M.
Chaos Emerald.
The soundtrack, so I don't have to feel bad about pirating it off of YouTube anymore. Now I can know that I at least own it. That kind of. It's got Never mind. It only has 10 tracks. So all the ones that, let's see. Yep. None of those are the ones I have pirated, so I'm removing this thing now. I should probably hold this up. I've removed this thing. This was once there. This is where the game was. For anyone who cares, which is no one. Here's the metal thing. I'm gonna very carefully drop that on the ground. Did I just scuff it again? Is it now more scuffed? I don't know what they did to get that scuff on it that was there earlier. This has like a plastic wrap around it. I'm gonna mess with that. Oh, probably shouldn't be throwing this stuff around. This is oh, okay, so they have a little lint thing here, so it doesn't get wrinkles. This is an art book. This is a lot fancier than I thought it would be. Ooh, okay. Dang, they really didn't want this book to get messed up. The metal game case is fine, but not the book. Huh. I don't know why you'd want an art book. What is this? Oh, check it out. Look, I think I wore an outfit like that to school once. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. The thing I don't like about the main character of this game is that he looks like an e-boy. Like he is the... You'll see this dude on VR chat all the time. All the e-boys are dressing up as this dude. So, this is just a book, and it has like, I guess the concept art or something. I might scalp this on eBay later. No, I'm gonna keep this. This is kind of cool, I think. Art book. I keep bonking my microphone. That's probably bad. I'm gonna go look over the audio and find out I bonked my microphone like 50 times. I don't know what's in here, but it is very difficult to remove. I think it's the mask. Huh. Nice packaging. Look at that. Huh. Stop getting in my way! I hate this microphone now. This is the worst mic ever made. Alright. Okay. So I'd take this, like, black strap thing, and I'd put it through that and, like, tie it, but I'm too lazy to do that, so I will do that later. Look at that! I'm Joker! Joker! How about another joke, Ray? Ooh. So just in case I ever need to, conceal my face when, doing something, conceal my identity, just in case I need to do that, I have this now. I'm now realizing that the setup I have here is not very maneuverable. What is this? Oh, this is the stand for the mask, I think. So I can, like, prop it up. It's like glass or something. Yeah. What the... Is there more parts to that I'm missing? I don't think so. Oh, nope, yeah, there is. Ugh. This all feels very important, so I'm gonna try not to break it like an idiot. Is that right? I feel like that's wrong. Oh! Okay, I think I have it upside down. Ugh! It's a terrible sound. God, okay. There we go. Check it out. This was Linus Tech Tips. This is the part where we, like, clatter to the ground. Look at that. That's alright, that's alright. I think I'll put that on my desk where I don't have any room. I'll just put that on top of my mouse. I don't need this mouse anymore. And, yeah, I have now excavated this box. Is there anything back here? Maybe they hid something in the very back. No, there's nothing back there. So yeah, that's everything. How many times have I bonked this mic, dude? This is really bad. I should probably just back it up a bit, honestly. Like, just do that.
Just how much do you have to spend to build a good gaming PC?
So, I don't actually have my own PS4. That's why I played the Persona 5 on PS3. But my dad has one downstairs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the remote play and play it on my computer through the remote play and see how that goes. Because I don't think he's using it right now. I'm gonna try that. Okay, so I have inserted the game into the PlayStation 4. I have set up my own account on the PlayStation 4. And the game is in the PlayStation 4. And I have downloaded Remote Play on my desktop computer, as you can see. So let's start it up. Let's give this a little go. Let's start up Remote Play. So I'm just gonna head down here. Gonna go to PS4 Remote Play. Checking for update. Not updates. Nah, who cares? Connected DualShock 4 wireless controller using a USB cable or using a DualShock 4 USB wireless adapter. Now, here's the thing about this thing. This controller, the DualShock 4, works with pretty much anything over Bluetooth. You can have a program installed on your PC. This thing will work A-OK. But for one program, just one program, which is the remote play on the PC, that's when you need the adapter, or else it will not work. You can use this thing with anything else. You can use it over Bluetooth just fine. Steam will recognize it. But as soon as you start up remote play, it doesn't want to do it wireless anymore. So let's go over and let's go see what one of these things costs. It's not on this website. Let's go to Amazon. DualShock 4 PC adapter. Here we go. By Sony, right here. I'd say that's a reasonable price. $79.90 for you to be able to do this. So that's one step of the equation done. I'm gonna hit start. Let's see. I'm gonna sign in real quick. Let me just get this thing off my keyboard. Joke's on you console players. You'd have to enter this in using your D-pad. Check this out. You wish you could do this. I can't even type well on a normal keyboard. They had like typing classes when I was in like middle school, and I just memed through them by typing the way I normally do, and it shows. Alright. Now I've got to select all the images with a fire hydrant. You know, this is necessary. You gotta stop those bot attacks. Now I need to go and get the code from my text messages, which is on my phone, which is what I'm using as a camera. So let's go do that part now. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I did not think this part through, but I don't want to have to recenter. It looks like I'm gonna have to do it anyway. Okay. Let me just hit this to the side. It's probably going to pause the recording. Okay. The code has been entered. I hope I did it right, because otherwise I'm going to have to do that all over again. I read that you can turn the PS4 on using the... Yeah, it should just be suspended right now. So it should be able to find it. It should just be suspended right now. Yeah, let's start this thing up. Let's start the game for the first time. It only took me this long to do it. Let's start the game. Alright. Knowing how this usually is, the network connection is going to give me problems, but... Ooh. This is cool. Is this a new opening or something? No, this replaced the train going in the original game. That's what that is. Oh, that's bright. Yeah, look at the anime butt. Oh, he just ripped his face off. Okay. I can't keep doing this to my microphone, bro.